I- Okay. Yeah, I want to show you that my window 10 can ping. I found out that Windows were not discovering each other. So what you have to do, I've already done mine. Let me just show you that. See my topology, I have 3130. So let me try to ping. This is IP config. This is 30. I want to ping 31. Is my distance on? Okay. Ping 192.168.1.31. You can see I can ping my window, I can ping my server, and my server 2, for my server 2, I should be able to ping cmd IP config. I should be able to ping 192.168.1.30. You can see I can ping across now. What you ought to do on your side, come to your network setting, go to your status. You can see sharing options. Go to your sharing options and turn this one on. Turn on network discovery. And I can, if you want to use printer too, you can do the same thing too. But make sure this one is turn on network discovery on both on your PCs. That's when your PC can be seen and can communicate. Okay, please. That is for that. So I want to add rows here. So I would like to change the name of my PC here. So I would like to change the name of my PC. I go to local computer. I come here, computer name, computer description. Let me just put Maruf. Add to computer. Full name computer, to name this computer or domain. I will change it here. My computer name, I will change it to Maruf. You can see here, I'll change this to domain to maruf.com. I use my .word. I want to use .com for this ones. I've been .word for previous ones. Maruf.com. So I don't want it to be in a work group. I click OK. Domain controller is for this domain. Mail.com could not be contacted. Ensure that the domain name is tagged. Okay. Let me try dot word. So I'll still leave this work group first. Let me name. So I would fix that later. My computer name is the most important thing. Maruf. Click OK. More restarts your system. Apply. Restart now. My computer has restarted. Now I want to add the rows and features again. Click next, row base, click next. This is the name of my system. I can see the name I changed to Maruf. I click next. Think Active Directory domain services. Add features. I can decide to add more features if I want, but for purpose for this class, I'm leaving it at I can decide to add DNS server. So it's let me add this one. Let me see how it's going to look like. Remote access, remote desktop services. For now, let me just stay with this one for now. Next, 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 next. Install. So I have to promote this server to the domain controller. Add a new forest. So here I'll put my domain name. Let me make it maruf.com. Nomaru.word. So you have to put your password here. I will leave the dedication. Next. Your browse domain name is if you want to use script, this here to pick the scripts. Copy this one to PowerShell. Next. Install. Now this is my domain. Inside my domain, I want to create users, new users. So I'll create bio. So it'll be bio at maru.com. Next, password never expire, password never changes. Put the password. I add more users. Maybe Femi, add password. Password cannot change, password never expires. So I'll say I have my users here, Femi and Bayo. And this is my administrator. If I open this administrator properties, so it's a member of this domain, enterprise, group policy, schema. So I want to create another administrator that will have all this, be member of all this domain. Administrators, domain names, domain users, enterprise. So let me create another users. Users, I'll name it admin. So this is my admin. I want to add the same properties to it. Properties, member of administrator, check. Okay. Add um enterprise admin. Okay. There is domain user there. So domain admin, check name, domain admin. Okay. Group policy, check name, group policy create owner. Okay. Then schema admin. Okay. Apply. Okay. Okay. This for the agent PA. So I'm done with this. So let me go to run. Before then, oh, I need to add my agent to some groups. Properties, members of distributed users, add events, log readers. There is domain user there already. Servers, operator. Server operators. And I can add administrator to it if I like. That's okay. Then I will go to run. On the run, I'll type MMC, go to file, add and remove snapshots. I'll go to WMI, telephone, WM controller. Add a local computer. Okay. I'll select this, go to properties, go to securities, routes, CMIVU, security, add my PA, check. Okay. And I'll add the rows there. I want to give in enable accounts, remote enable, read writes, and edit security. Apply. Okay. So I'm done on my server side. I'm done on my server side for now. Then I'll go to my Palo Alto. Let me try to log into my Palo Alto. So go to services, setup. You can add group if you want here, but I'm not interested in adding group. You can come here, create group, like maybe admin group. Maybe here, let's see. New. mm, No, this one I want by here. Okay, yeah, organization units. That's it. I can say Palo Alto group. So I can now create group here. So one group like HR. So another group is IT. So so maybe I should do it separate like a new. Okay, maybe I can create users. Go to users, new users. Maybe uh hacking, hacking, hacking. Next, this is just extra thing. Another users, we just create for users. Hear me, hear me. Okay, let me create two more users. Um, Ginad, Nad, one more user, maybe Tolu. So let me select HR members. members of is it general? Is it email? Members of I want to select the users on this by. So let me go to the user I created. Let me go start with Femi. Member of let me add it to the group like HR, check name HR. Okay. Okay. So Femi is already in the group. Let me add Jinadu too. Member of add HR, check. Okay. Apply. Okay. So let me add these people. Member of add IT, check name. Okay. Apply. Okay. And this here me member of add IT, check name. Okay. Apply. Okay. So if I come to the group I created, you can see this one has both Femi and Jinod. Okay, there. IT will have Tolu and Yemisi already created. Okay. So that's how to add it to the group. So now let me go back to my Palo Alto services, device setup, service route, custom. So I want to change my DNS routes. So not use the defaults. I want to use Internet 1. Okay, Barros, Internet 1. My LDAP, Internet 1. That's all for now on that. Okay. Yes. Let me commit. Now I want to create the LDAP profile. Go to the LDAP profile. Click add. Give it a name. A profile. Add a server name. AD. My server IP address. This is my server IP address. 1.31. 192.168.1.31. And the protocol is LDAP. And the type we are using is Active Directory. And the bind is DC is equal to Maruf, comma, DC is equal to com. So it's bind to PA at maruf.com. And the password is this, the same password I created on my server. So I don't require TLS for now for this lab, because this is not a real world production environment. So I'm removing TLS, SLS, TLC secure connection. So I'm okay. So I like to commit for everything. I don't want to mumble my commits. So the next thing I have to do is to do the authentication. I have to create the LDAP authentication. So this is how to create authentication profile. Click add, give it a name. Authentication profile. The type is LDAP. And the profile we created is AD profile. And the login method is SAM accounts. SAMA accounts. Same accounts name. Smokes S capital AM accounts name. So my domain is maruf.com. That is my domain, maruf.com. And that's all for that. So I'll go to the advanced profile, add all for now. I'll click OK. I'll commit again. Then I'll configure the map and the monitor setting. So I'll go to the user identification. So I'll click the GS sign, and the user will be Maruf. maruf.com/PA. The domain name, I don't know if this one is important. It's not important. The domain name or the password is important. We don't have Kebara's profile. I'm not sure if I should put this .com. Let me test it. If there's an error, I'll come back to revisit that. This domain name is not compulsory, maruf.com. Then the server monitor is okay. This has to be enable security log. I don't need this. Lens probing, this has to be disabled. Although it disabled by default. That's all. I think it's okay. So I'll go to the server monitor. Give it a name, description, Active Directory, and then the network has to be 192.168.1.31. 1.31. Okay. So let me commit this one too. Then I have to go to the group mapping setting. Add, I call it my group. My group, and the server profile, AD profile is there. User domain is maruf.com. I think that's all. User mapping. So user group, I think it's okay. Yes, group lists. Okay, everything is here. Our user is here. What's okay? I have my Palo Alto group here. Okay, my Palo Alto group is here. The group I created, HA, the IT group we created is there. So that means we are getting connection. And the users here. So let's leave this one now for now. So return back to all these ones. Custom, this one, I think we are good there. Then we click OK. As my Palo Alto disconnected. Oh, oh. I lost connection to my Palo Alto. Hmm. So now how far this one can take. Ooh, I've lost all these things. Oh, that'll be sad. So I have to. Uh, mm, mm. So let me see if my user mapping is still there. Because okay, my server is there. Access denied. Server is there. Group mapping is not there again. But I've done user mapping. I've done this one. This one are there. Okay, this one I committed. Group mapping is the one that is missing. Okay, I gave it my group. Server profile is my domain is my roof. And that is all. Okay, and my group is here. Okay, and that was what I was trying to do. Now I'll commit it. Okay, now the purpose of me committing early. So now I'll go and add it to an interface. Go to network, go to my zone, go to my uh, management zone. Management zone, interface one, enable user identification. Yes, so my comment is it down. So let me try to commit again. And there's one thing I want to do here. I want to change this one to be to be my DNS server. Okay, so I did there, I done that one. Commit done successfully. So let me see if my server is still up, because I should have connection on the server connected. Why still access denied? Yes, status of access denied. Say yeah. Let me check my timing here. 1:35 here. My timing. Let me try to synchronize the time here too. This is 23. Set time zone automatically, So change this thing to this time zone formats. #8:38. 8:38. Why this one different? Okay, so it's yes, okay, West Africa +1, so it's +1 UTS. Okay, sorry. The +1 UTS. So this one to have to be +1 UTC. That's my current time here. Okay. I think the time is okay now. This is 1:38. This one too is 1:38, 39. So time is right on both sides now. 1:39, 1:39, 1:39, 1:39. Okay. So Let me go to this PC. I click here, properties. Okay. I have to see I'll add this thing to member of the group. Change setting. Say Maruf. Change this group to be Maruf. The domain name. Sorry, I was able to resolve my connection. This is what I did. I went to my you can easily go to your dashboard, go to your tools, go to your users, find the user you use. We use PA. That's one, that's the one we added the members to. I went to it, I went to the accounts, and I found the name on it. You can see my own is Maruf-0. Is a full name slash PA. That is the name we are going to add. So I went there and I edited it. I edited it here. I had a 0 here, and boom, I had connection. And now I'm connected. So you have to get connection. You don't have to see app access denied. Turn on window officials. So let me make this one bigger for you to see. Whoa. It's SMB switches. It's SMBs. Hmm. Okay, this is SMBs. Let me expand this. Let me install these options. Let me see if this one can fix it. The most simple. Let's CCP code dynamic name. I don't know what is grayed out. Virtual machine platform. Doing this one. Partial. Go ahead. I newly installed this PC. Let me see if results. Because the option is to be there. Change setting. Change. It's still grayed out. It's grayed out. I think it's this version of this Windows 10. Yeah, let me see. Maybe I think. Hmm, check this. How this? Because I don't see it in all my other versions. Okay, without that, we can't join it to another domain. I have my other PC can do it, but this is a new PC I just installed from a virtual route, virtual box. Let me try that one. Let me try that method. Group policy. Oh, policy. Group policy. Yes, I'm touching group policy here now, but edits group. Can see it's not there. Yeah, it's not there. See. But my main system is my main system group. So you can see it's on my main system I did group policy. This is my local system. So that's the difference. Uh, uh, hmm. We are connected though. Yes, I have connection here, but still want to. So I'm connected now, but I've not resolved the work group. I think it's because of this Windows 10 we are running. Maybe we are going to get out Windows 10 that can give us better features.